MCPSS IT Department Tech videos replacing UF75 lamp. Facing the projector, look at the right side. You will see a panel to be removed. Using a number 2 screwdriver, loosen the screws in the lamp. Grab the lamp handle and remove the lamp. Use canned air and spray the projector, not the lamp housing. Just as you removed the bad lamp, slide the new lamp in. Tighten the screws. Install the lamp cover into place before turning on projector. Using a smart remote, press the button combination down, up, up, left, up. A menu will appear. Locate and press enter on reset lamp hours. Safety is important. The lamp may be hot. Please do not stand on a table or chair. Power off the projector and remove any hazards around you. Tools needed: stepladder, number 2 screwdriver, a smart remote. Call the Smart Help Desk for assistance at 221-6410, option 3. Place a work order for a lamp, then update once received and replace. Thank you for watching, and check out our other videos.